Hey everyone, the official launch date of LG's new 27-inch monitor, the 27UP550N, has been declared. The eagerly awaited model will retail for 1799 yuan or $251 upon launch, and it will be sold on JD.com beginning on August 8th. The LG 27UP550N's remarkable 3840 by 2160 resolution enables it to produce breathtaking 4K images. This monitor, which is based on an IPS screen, has a refresh rate of 60 Hz, a standard brightness of 300 nits, and a static 1000:1 contrast ratio. Vibrant colors and clear, sharp images are guaranteed by this combination. The monitor is a great option for applications that demand accurate color reproduction, such image and video processing, since it offers an 8-bit color depth and covers 98% of the sRGB color gamut. AMD FreeSync technology reduces screen tearing and stuttering during gaming sessions, further improving the visual experience. A priority in the appearance of the LG monitor was user comfort. With its ergonomic stance, tilt, swivel, and height adjustments, you can easily configure the workspace to be as comfortable as possible. The monitor is well equipped with a variety of connectivity possibilities. It has two DisplayPort 1.4 ports, two HDMI 2.0 ports, and a USB-C port that can supply 90 watts of electricity. With just one connection needed to charge linked devices and transfer data, this USB-C port simplifies workspace organization and minimizes cable clutter. With its larger range of brightness and contrast, the LG monitor supports HDR10, which improves the viewing experience overall, and especially for HDR content. Because of the IPS technology, which guarantees accurate and uniform colors from a broad viewing angle, it is appropriate for group projects and presentations. Gamers will love a number of features that are meant to improve their experience. During fast-paced gaming, the dynamic action sync technology ensures speedy response times by reducing input lag. Furthermore, the black stabilizer function enhances vision in dimly lit areas, giving players an advantage in games where identifying hidden foes is essential. The monitor comes with LG's OnScreen Control software, which allows users to conveniently manage many tasks at once. This software makes it simple to split the screen and change the monitor's settings with a mouse, which makes managing and arranging different apps easier. To satisfy the demands of a diverse variety of customers, the LG monitor blends ergonomic appearance, flexible connectivity, and high-resolution images. This monitor is developed to provide outstanding performance and value, whether it is used for gaming, creative work, or professional use. Put August 8 on your calendars, so you may take advantage of JD.com's special launch price of or $251. Thanks for watching this video. Write your opinion about this monitor in the comments below. Also, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Have a nice day and God bless you.